How to use Macys promo codes. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use Macys promo codes. Firstly, make sure that you have a code. You can get code from the Macys official website or social media account. Make sure that you follow Macys on social media platforms to get offers and discounts. Go to Macys official website and here you will see different kind of products. Add products to your cart that you'd like to purchase. Once you have added items to your cart, then proceed to checkout. On the checkout section, fill out your payment details and location. Once you have filled out that detail, then you should see an option called promo code. There, type in your promo code and click on apply. As you can see here on the screen, at the bottom there is this section called enter promo code. Type in your promo code and click on apply. If your promo code is correct, then you will get the designated offer or discount. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.